Hey guys, welcome back here. It's Sujal here, back with another unboxing video. This one's a kind of a bit tricky one. I actually went back and forth whether or not I wanted to create this video or not. I actually got a microphone stand for my blue Snowball and I was deciding whether or not, again, to make the video regarding the stand. I paid about, I think, $11 for it. Got this off of Amazon and decided that I don't like having my Snowball on my desk because it does take up space and the cables are very annoying, and I decided that why not just get a boom arm? That way I can just tuck it away when I'm not using it and then just bring it closer, have the cable more managed. And I just stumbled upon this one because it was on a Black Friday sale. It was around for like $11 like I mentioned. It looked pretty clean and just wanted to see how it functions. And then if you're actually in the market to look for a microphone stand that supports your blue Snowball, then this might be the one for you, who knows. So the one I got is from a company called InnoGear, not sponsored or any way, but this is the one I saw since it was on sale. Had pretty good reviews, it looked decent enough, and honestly I think it will just get the job done. So without further ado, let's actually do the unboxing. So this is the front. On the top we just have more information like what's included, the weight, the dimensions, anything you should know about. So in this case, like, don't put it in like a corner of a desk because it's a C-clamp style mount. And then in general, just make sure it's not too heavy. Like the microphone that you might use, this is usually for a blue Snowball. So if you have like a different mic that might support it, you might want to look into like the specifications on their website or on like the Amazon profile link. In this case, the blue Snowball is I think around like 3 or 4 pounds, maybe less than that. But if you do use it for some other mic, it might not be as sturdy, and you don't want to risk damaging your mic that you probably paid a good penny for it. This is the other side. Again, it's the same thing, and then on the top is just contact support and like the serial number or anything like that. And there's really nothing on the side, so let's just pick a side and actually do an unboxing. I do apologize if there's a lot of noise in the background. My family's here and they're watching TV with loud volume, and then if you hear like vents going off or anything like that, it is winter time, so our heater system will definitely go off. So as you can see, sorry about that. So as you can see, these are all the things that's included in the box. This is the arm itself. This is where you put the camera, the microphone inside of, and this is the mount itself. And then you got the instruction manual, and I guess this is like a prop holder. I'm not too sure about it, but oh no, this is a thread tape. Oh, interesting. Wonder what the thread tape is for. Anyways, that's pretty much in the unboxing videos. Let me actually take everything apart from the plastic so you guys can see it better. And with a little editing magic, let's just do that. Alright, I'm pretty much back. I got all the plastic out of the way. To pretty much recap what I said in the previous part. So you get your arm, you get the C-clamp mount for your desk, and then you have a plastic clip for a traditional microphone. Just think of it, it's the one where like singers probably use to sing. You'll see them in concerts. This is the thread that you would use, but then in terms for your blue Snowball, you would want to use this. And then on the manual, I read that depending on like the thread, sometimes like the manufacturing holes on the blue Snowball or like blue Nano or whatever it is, any blue microphones, this might be a little too loose for it. So what you would have to do is just put some thread tape on it to make the thickness of the knob actually fit inside your blue Snowball. So without further ado, let's actually do the basic step and actually just connect the mount into the arm. And that's pretty much it. So that's one part done. Now let's actually do the monitor stand. Easy. Just make sure you actually wind all of this back, because then it won't go in like this. And that's pretty much it. So now you have your C-clamp mount. If you wanted, you can rotate it like the other way, because you can see this part sticking out. It really just depends on your case. I might do that once I fix this. If you didn't see before, so this piece right here, let me take it out just in case. It comes like this. This is for your blue snowballs, this little thread. All you have to do is just tie it back in, and you're so good. And that's pretty much it in terms of installing the basic tools for your modern arm. Now I'm gonna just put it on the floor, kind of close it back down, and kind of give you an idea of how it looks. I think it looks pretty cool, pretty sleek. I'm sure it definitely gets scratches after a while, but for like $10 for what I pay for, honestly, this is a steal for me at least. And then let me, clean up the mess I made, and then install my blue snowball and see how it goes. Alright, I'm pretty much back. Just for demonstration purposes, I actually have the mount actually clamped on the side of my desk. As you can see, again, it uses a traditional C-clamp mount. So what it is on the bottom, there's a dial. You just keep spinning it, and then it'll just tighten it. There's a small little sponge underneath, so it'll clamp down. So you don't want to over tighten it because it might damage your desk depending on what type of desk you have. And there's 2 notches. There's one here. I don't know if you can see it spinning. This just controls the lever, like how fluid it is in terms of movement. As of right now, playing with it right now. Right now it's too stiff, so I kind of loosened it all the way so it's more fluid. Like as you can see, it's just easier to move around. And then if you come closely, there's another one right here. This is just for your lever and how you want to position your mouse. I mean your microphone. So as you can see, since it's super loose, it's it won't hold up anywhere. So maybe if you're streaming, or maybe if you want the microphone closer to your mouth, then all you have to do is just tighten it, and then it will just pretty much stay in place. If you can see my hole, this is the hole for the cable. So what I'm gonna do is just trying to route it through in between the cabling, through the legs, like in between the seams, and then have it nicely clean and organized. But that's pretty much it in terms of the arm itself, the boom arm itself. I think it looks great. I think it looks clean. And then comparing it to having it on a tripod mount, if you haven't seen that, compared to this thing, it uses less space, and I think it gets the job done, especially for $10. I think it's well worth it. If you have any questions, if you have any doubts, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to answer as many questions as I can if I have the answer to it. I'm going to use this for a while, and then honestly, I give it the thumbs up. It's $10. You don't have anything to lose. It's the holiday season, so if you get it from Amazon, I think you have until like early February to return it if you don't like it. But that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Again, leave a like if you liked it. If you have any tips on how to improve my quality of videos, just leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next time. Peace.